Hi, my name is Tengku Adrena binti Tengku Anwar, and today I'm going to talk about Intro to SQL. What is SQL? SQL stands for a structured query language, which is stand for language for interacting with a relational database management system. Some of the popular relational database examples are MySQL, Oracle, or MarineDB. SQL is a language designed entirely for Access database. SQL is used to perform CRUD, which means of create, retrieve, update, and delete operations on relational database. SQL can also perform administrative tasks on the database such as database security, backup, and user management. We can create database and table inside database using SQL. So if you can see in here, I create a database under name Disney movies. So inside that, I create a table also named Disney movie. In the tables, I already set 10 rows, which stand for ID, titles, rank, rating, budget, director, producer, date, month, and years. And if you can see that, I already set ID as a primary key. If you can see here, I already insert into the Disney movie, which means I insert it into the tables that I create Disney movie before. And here I already list down all the rows that I create in the Disney tables. So you can see here ID, titles, rank, rating, budget, directors, producer, date, month, and years. And inside that I insert the value. If you can see here, for the idea, I insert number 1, and for the title, I insert the Snow White and the Seven Dwarf, and for rank, I put 3, and for the rating is 98% over 100, and the budget is 1.5 million, and the director's name is David Hans, and the producer is Walt Disney, and date is 21, month is December, and year is 1937, and I already inserted all the data into the tables, and this is the all of the data that I inserted. You can see here I already insert 35 data into the tables. Thank you. That's all from me, Tunku Nur Adrena.
Putra Izrin, and today I'll be showing you the command of the SQL to show a certain result. So Tengku have created a table Disney movies for assignment. So first of all, of course, we want to know all of the data in the tables that have been created by Tengku. So we use this command. Thus, all the titles, all the data in the table will be shown here. Next, maybe we want to rewatch all the movies from our childhood year, so maybe less than 2000, year less than 2000. So with this command, all of the movies that are released before year 2000 will be appear here. Okay, the third command is maybe we remember the first name of the directors, or we just remember the first name of the producers, so we can just use the command like. Yes, we can use command like and the percentage, and just put the name of the director that you remember, and we can use and so that the result will be shown more precisely, and maybe the name of the producers and the directors. So the movie will be shown based on the directors and the producers' first name. Okay, next. Maybe we want to see all the list of the movies based on the year it's released. So yes, we can use order by year based on descending order, and the recent movie will be appeared on the top of the list. Okay, for the fifth command, maybe we want to know how many movies per producers, how many movies have they been are released. So you can just use this command producer so that we can show the name of the producers, count title, to count how many movies have they been produced, and as total movies, because we want to rename the count title using the name total movies. Okay, done. So all the result will be appear here, how many movies the producers have been produced.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Adriana Shafia and I am gonna explain about the last 5 theories that my group have to present. Okay, thank you. So I want to know all the movies that the producer produced that is more than 2. So I'm gonna use the having command to make the condition, and then the count title, don't forget to select the producer. And then the count title, we call it as total movies, so we know what the count title meant. And then from the table of Disney movies, and then we group by the producer to know which producer produced the most movies, and then using a having count command to make the condition more than 2 or equal than 2. Okay, then go, and then we see all the movies that each producers produced that is more or equal than 2. And then I want to know all the movies that the producer produced that is more or equal than 3 by using the exact same condition and command. And go, and here is the total movies that each producers produced, and it is equal or more than 3. And then I want to know the top movies that is rated from 50 and higher than that, because I don't want to watch movies that have bad ratings. So first, I'm gonna put the select title rating from the table that is called Disney movies, and then where the rating is more or equal to 50. And I'm gonna use the order by command and descending command because I want the top movies on top of the table, so it's easier for me to watch it. And then go. So this is all the ratings that is more than 50. Oh wait, it's not all yet, so I'm gonna change it to all. Okay, so this is the rating from all the movies that is above 50, starting from 100. Next, I want to know the lowest budget used in the movie but still got into the higher ranks. So I'm gonna put the select title, then producers, rank, and then mean. Inside the mean, I'm gonna put budget millions because I want to know the minimum budget use of money and call it as the mean budget, so it's easier for me to look at it later from the Disney movies table. And then go, and then the most rank with the lowest budget is 3 with the budget of 0.9 million by Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Next, I want to search all the movies that contains the letter of F. I'm gonna use the command like. First, we put select all from the table of Disney movies where the title, and then like. I'm gonna put the percentage in front and behind the F letter, and then go. So here is all the movies that the title contains the letter of F. Frozen, Frozen 2. So next, I want to update the Frozen 2 because I think it is a bit underrated. So I want to update it from the rating of 77 to 90. So I'm going to put the command update, and then Disney movies set. I'm going to set the rating, so we put set rating equals to 90, where ID, so the ID for the Frozen 2 is 35. So it's gonna change and then go. So the change of the ratings is successful. So we see the rating is, wait, I'm gonna show all. Okay, so the rating will be for Frozen 2 is the rating will be 90. The rating for Frozen 2 has updated from 77 to 90. That's all, and thank you for watching.